Hey, thanks for the birthday
Yeah,
dinner.
no problem.
You know, I want to tell you before I go in there, I'm definitely going to break up with Stacy because What?
Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is January 24th, 2015. Here are your news updates for today. Let's first go to breaking news, breakingnews.com. 15,000 customers remain without electricity in San Fernando Valley, California. Utilities say area was hit by powerful windstorm early Saturday, coming out of breaking weather 1 hour ago. Also an hour ago, Fontana, California. Major structure fire in Fontana, California near I-10 and Cherry Avenue is creating driving hazards with smoke on freeway, authorities say. So heads up, if you're by the Interstate 10 by Fontana, be aware. Coming out of KCBSK Cal Desk 1 hour ago. Also, TV talk show pioneer Joe Franklin dies at 88. Coming out of New York Daily News an hour ago. Alright. Moving on. The Watchers watching the world. Very high values of SO2 emissions from Holhuran eruption site, Iceland. That was today. That's SO2. Sulfur dioxide. I believe that's what that is. Fluorescent blue, harmful algae bloom along the Hong Kong shores. It's glowing blue over there. Yesterday, very strong and deep magnitude 6.8 earthquake hits off Vanuatu. Alrighty, moving on. E&E News, Energy News. U.S. Canada. Yesterday, one of the largest mass die-offs of seabirds ever recorded. Now underway on West Coast. Government, I've never seen anything like this ever. Experts, just massive, unprecedented, strong possibility of it escalating to affect other species. Significant uptick in mass mortality events in marine world. Also, yesterday, if you look under recent uploads, I attached some things for you. Sometimes I'll be looking through the internet, but no time to do a show, so what I'll do is I'll post under recent uploads things that might be of interest for you. AP, ceiling collapse at WIP nuclear waste dump. Officials, roof has separated. Ground control a significant concern for all of us. 6 other areas at risk due to significant bolt loss. Failures are exceeding safety levels. Wow, heads up on that. If you live by WIP, I'd get out of there. E&E News, Energy News, Japan, Fukushima. Today, study. Fukushima, the most serious man-made disaster in human history. Obesity rates now nearly double Japan average. Excessive weight gain after nuclear crisis. A marker of radiation brain damage. Well, why don't we say my opinion, it's a marker that a lot of their thyroids got affected, maybe destroyed from the cesium. Alrighty then, heads up on that. Okay, there's nothing else new there. Alrighty then, I'm going to attach some vines, try to keep it light. Okay? So, please be safe, stay warm, no barbecues in their homes. Weather.com says that we might not have a spring. So heads up on that. I put some attachments about we're possibly going into a Munder ice age. Alrighty then, so that's under recent uploads also. I'll put some vines. Be safe. Be prepared for anything. It's cold in Florida. Oh yes, it's cold in Florida. For Florida standards. Alright, and I did attach some weather anomaly things too under recent uploads. So just be prepared for anything and make sure your pets are prepared for anything also. Alrighty then. Buy earmuffs. Earmuffs are good. Even if it's not cold out and it's windy, you don't want things blowing into your ears. Alrighty then, but earmuffs are good. Get earmuffs if you're cold. That will help a lot. Help keep your internal body heat in. Let's just picture your ears as like a radiator. Alright. Alrighty then. Take care. Also, it keeps the germs out too. Someone sneezes or coughs on you, it's not going in your ear. Alrighty then. Be safe. See you on the flip side tomorrow. And I'm going to still try to figure out how to do a live event. I can't figure it out yet, but I will on YouTube. We'll try to do a live event. And I'll give you plenty of heads up and warning. Alrighty then. Take care. Be safe.
Did you hear what Brittany was talking about?